Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to turn off Cash App NFC tag. First things first, there's no way to manually turn off NFC on an iPhone like you can on Android. NFC is always on in the background. But don't worry, here are a few easy fixes to stop those annoying notifications. First, remove your cash card from your phone. NFC works when it's near another NFC tag. Keep your cash card away from your phone or store it separately. Use an RFID blocking wallet or phone case. These block NFC signals and prevent unwanted tag detection. Next, update or reinstall Cash App. Go to the App Store, update the app, or long press to delete and reinstall it. This often fixes the issue. Next, contact support. Still seeing the notification? Go to the app, tap support, and ask for help directly. And that's it. That's how to turn off Cash App NFC tag. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.